Bibogobogo, Murambo, Kumikenke. Kazi. So experience na Abana ilikuwa si rahisi sasa naona vile sasa zamani tulikuwa tunasumbua wanakuambia kaa kwa line utulie unasumbua nimeona sasa watoto wako sawa leo wamelani wamesoma so nimefurahia sana it's just an experience kucoach watoto kama tu vile nilikuwa nikiwa mdogo. Nimeona
watu wengi wanakujua yani wanakusema kama mtu si huyu naona hapa.
Najua ni vizuri watu wakusema usijiseme. Juu ukijisema utajisema vizuri zaidi.
In one word, Jolli versus Bob, spectacular. That's one I can just put it out there.
This is Jolli K1 official. I'm here in Kenya doing basketball clinics. I'm teaching kids on how to play basketball. So guys, I'll be showing you everything or every session that we'll be doing here. Just be with us and watch everything.
Tunawashiti wakunzi wa AFRIMEDIA live nkuko twababwiye umukobwa w'umunyamulengekazi w'umukinnyi ukina basketball uvuye muri Canada amaze almost buriya nameze angahe?
I think it's almost 3 months. Yeah, 3 months.
Amaze amezi 3 ari hano mu bikorwa byo kwigisha abana basket azenguruka Kenya ubari muri Nairobi. AFRIMEDIA rero twashatse kuhagera ko twabasezeranye ko uyu munsi tubwiza amahirwe yo kumusanga ari kwigishiriza abana basket. Na hantu mbwira ngo yakiniye araje bitubwire neza ariko rero tugiye kumenya byinshi n'ubundi kuri we twamubonye tumwakira kuri airport benshi mwagize ibibazo murana twishuza ngo ya interview ko tutayikoze reka uyu munsi noneho dukorera practical ari mu kazi. Jolli imeze biti?
Poa sana Gabu, poa sana.
N'amahoro. Nabwira abakozi wa AFRIMEDIA live.
Jewe ni Jolli mukobwa w'umunyamulenge munyabyinshi.
Waravuze ngo ngura umusenkindi abantu baraseka ari gusa abasenkindi babaho.
Iyo nitauliza babangu vizuri wa explainie.
Muri comment rero mwagiye mwandika ibintu byinshi yavuze ko ari umukobwa w'umunyabyinshi w'umusenkindi. Umusita voilà. Rero uyu munsi Jolli tugusanze hano ku kibuga cya basket. Aha ni hehe dusobanurire hasobanuye iki kuri wewe?
So aha ni panaitwa Umama ni Kayole so nimegrow nikichezea hapa kunaitwa Diopa lakini leo kulikuwa busy sana ndio tukashift hapa Umama. It's in Kayole mahali nimekomalia. So hao wote wameniona nikiwa mtoi hapa.
Aba barakuzura kandi
wote wananijua utauliza maswali watakwambia.
Ahantu hose twacira hazi wewe?
Sipajui sana, mimi najua Diopa hivyo. Hapa sipajui sana, ilikuwa haijajengwa hii.
Yubatswe waragiye.
Lakini Kayole kabisa ni kwetu.
Hanyuma turi gukora iki rero tuje gukora iki hano waje gukora iki ufite gahunda ki?
Yeah, so today we are doing a basketball clinic. So nitafunza watu on how to shoot the basketball, on how to dribble the basketball, just giving back the knowledge of basketball that I have. Yenye nilitoa huku. So nitaonyesha everything that we are doing today.
Ndabona abana bakinnyi bawe bose turi kwigisha.
Abana banje. Abana banje.
Bisobanuye iki kuri wowe uri kumwe n'abana bameze gutyo b'Abanyafrika?
Hii inanikumbusha vitu mob like when I started basketball na mimi nimeanza when I was young like this kama tu hawa tu nimeanza when I was very young. So inanikumbusha like when the coaches were teaching me how to dribble the basketball. Kama sasa it's like I feel so good like it's like I'm giving back the knowledge kufundisha watu wenye wako the same level na yenye nilianza nayo sasa.
Kila abanyamulenge Vuga mu Kinyamulenge bumve.
Yes. So haniga
Canada muri hangana ko turavugana n'umuzungukazi.
So haniga hana nafundisha watu digisha abantu kukina kama ukuntu banigishije. Yeah, nkiri mutoyi. Yeah, so I'm just giving back the same thing that nimepewa di mutoyi. Mimi my future plans ni kuenda like vitu kama hizi sasa zenye tunafanyia hapa nyine kagenda Minembwe kukiwa na amani na mimi nafanya vitu kama hizi za basketball.
Hari mishinga ufite se kujana mu Minembwe imeze nk'iyi?
Mishinga ya kwenda Minembwe niko nayo na nataka kushirikiana na makochi ba hano wenye watakuwa available tuende Minembwe tujenge vibuga vya basketball na sisi tuanzishe mkino wa basketball back home in Minembwe.
Uzazubaka se koko cyangwe kura enjoying abakunzi ba AFRIMEDIA?
Nzavubaka hata saa hii ukiangalia niko kwa hizo njia like kwa hizo process although inachukua time but itafanyika.
Twizere yuko abadukurikiye bari mu Minembwe ufite kuzabashira imishinga nk'ingi y'amahoro n'amara kuza.
Yeah, vitu kama hizo na kuwafunza
na kama hizo gahunda yo gutaha yo kugera mu Minembwe
sana.
Ubu tuvuga muri uru rugendo rwawe urimo hano ufite gahunda yo kuzamuka ruguru iwacu?
Hata ndio maana nimekaa 3 months. Nilikuwa nangoja tu hivi amani ipatikane nikimbie. Lakini sasa ona sasa bado no yet.
Ufite gusubira muri Canada vuba?
Yeah, I'm going back soon but I will be coming back all the time to do the clinics.
Sawa, reka turebe ibikorwa hano uko bigiye kuba byifashe rero. Turaba turi kumwe, reka dukurikirane gahunda za Jolli hano uyu munsi. Turaza kubafatira buri kimwe ubundi turabibona, turaza kugenda tubimenya byose.
But before to answer, I'd like us to start with a word of prayer. Our God Almighty Father, we come before you, giving you all the praise in our love. We thank you for this day. It's a wonderful day that you made, and we're rejoicing in it. Thank you for these teams. Thank you for the coaches. Tanzania coach hapa tuambie jina lake. Ndio.
Sasa hivi. Kwa mimi ni coach last year. Ama Lavenda.
Hey guys, mimi naitwa Jolli. My name is Jolli. I'm a Jolli Mukesha. So niko hapa na nyinyi all day. Nice.
Poa ni aje? Niaje mimi naitwa Coach Stanley. Pia mimi nilikuwa hapa hivi tena. Sawa, sana furahia kuwa na nyinyi.
How are you ni?
How are you?
How are you ni?
Simu.
How are you ni? Poa. Tunahitaji energy, ndio? We want to start our camp, so we need energy, ndio? Naitwa Coach Joshua ama Coach Joshua ama Coach Bosch, yenye tu mtaweza. Coach Joshua ama Joshua, ndio? Ama Bosch, ndio? Haya, asanteni. Habari zenyu? Poa kabisa. Mimi naitwa Coach Inkuru. Pia mimi nimekuwa ndio. Wengi kuongea kutoka clinic.
Niaje?
Poa.
Niaje? Poa. Mimi ni mama yao. My name is Florence.
Oje.
Hello everyone. Kofiti?
You want to come and Coach B? Sasa. B for boy.
Naitwa Coach Murage. I'm happy to be with you here. Sio.
Yeah. So guys, ningetaka kuambia something. So like just to make sure people like what I'm doing here and who I am. So I started basketball when I was very young, just like you guys. Nilianzia hapo sijui Diopa Kayole. hii ilikuwa haijajengwa bado. So like I feel so nice kukua like with you guys, mko the same age. Nilianza sijui nikiwa na huyu, if I can remember. So this is like a foundation. I'll be coming every year to Kenya kufanya the basketball clinic. So it's not gonna be the first whatever or the last time. It's gonna be like mpaka sijui mwisho wapi. So I'll be coming every year. Inaitwa Jolli Kids Foundation. It will be happening every year in Kenya. So this is the first one in Kenya, but more itakuja. So right now we are going to start the session. We are going to show them on how to dribble the ball, on how to shoot. Tumewa divide into two groups. Warefu wameenda hii side, wafupi wakaenda hii side. So tutaona kila kitu on how everything is going. Sometimes in a line na flow vile kunaenda. Yeah, so we are just two groups here. Naona jua. Enda tuone. Leta nikuonyeshe. Ukienda hata unafaa kubend, unachapa cross ukienda. Unaona? Ubend chini. Wewe ndio nimeona ujui. Unajua? Nikuonyeshe. Tutaenda na wewe, si ndio? Ukienda tutaenda. Ngoja arudi alafu tutaenda pamoja. Acha tuende na hiyo bonjo mzuri. Twende sasa, twende. 1 2 leta nikuonyeshe. Unafanya hivi. Unafanya hivi. 1 2 crossover. Ama tu uanzie tu hapa. Sorry. Unafanya hivi 1 crossover. Hivyo. Right.
If I say right, now move right. If I say left, now move left. Unajua left na right ni gani? Ndio. Unaipesi. Unapesi kwa mbele. Face kule. Face the other side. Sawa. Ready? Ready? Now stop. Turn right. Turn right.
Hivi. Una reverse. Unaona? Unaona hii right. Kuja hapa. Unaona hii. Twende. Alafu tena. Hivyo. Twende tena, twende. Alafu unakaa hii chest inakuwa hivi mbele. Alafu huku chini unajaribu ni kama unakalia stool. Twende. Turn. Sawa. Turn left sasa na wengine. Hivyo. Hivyo. Right. Tena. Left. Hiyo. Tena hiyo. unakuja hapa, alafu ukikuja hapa una shoot. Unaona? Ama nirudie? Mimi hata nitakumbuka. Ama tufanye tu hivi. Una dribble na left. Una turn. Unakuja hapa. Si ndio? Alafu hapa una cross. Unakuja ndani. Umeelewa? Sawa. Hata mnaweza enda leo. Short.
Umeelewa? White base ukipiga cross. Cross.
And then short.
Sawa. Inside the paint. Take the shot inside the paint. Sawa.
Anza na left.
Protect ball. Imefika.
Morage. Sawa. Ile ball ndogo ni gani? Ni hii. Yeah, so let me show you yeah. So hii ingine nitapea mtu wa nyuma ball, alafu nakimbia on the opposite side, napewa na shoot. So nakuja hivi, nasema bo, napewa hivyo. Umeona? Alafu pia hapa unapea mtu wa nyuma, si ndio? Unapea mtu wa nyuma, unakuja unakimbia, unasema bo. Umeona? Hivyo, unakimbia nyuma ya line hivyo. Hivyo tu.
It's a make and drill. Sawa, make and drill ya shot.
Jua ni kali. Ona watoto wamesweat, kuna jua.
My name is Ndongo. I'm the founder and CEO of DigiSports. We're here to support Jolli. Jolli is one of our brand ambassadors. We're very passionate about supporting sporting communities. We are very proud of her, what she's doing here, what she has started here, to give back to communities, to her community where she started, to also give kids a sporting chance like her. Of course, she plays abroad basketball. Of course, basketball has given her opportunities, and to see her come back here and support the kids, give them a chance to pursue careers in sports is very impressive, and we are very happy to be to partner with her and to be associated with her. We have known her through basketball not long ago, but she's one of our ambassadors. She's very passionate about basketball. So yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Coach Morgan, and I'm very proud to be part of the coaches running the Lil Jolli Camp Foundation over here today at Umama. So we have a background with Coach Jolli. We played basketball together while we were young, and it's very good for her to come back and do this organizational camps with the young people, and just also give back to where basketball started, because we started with her in Diwopa. That is like 10-12 years ago, and I'm really happy that she's back in the country and she's doing this as well, just to give back as well. So thank you so much, Jolli, and everyone watching. Yes, I am the coach here. Yeah, I have a basketball foundation with Far East Basketball Association. So that is where I also started basketball, and I'm also just growing as a coach. I started coaching 2-3 years back, and this is also me giving back to the community that started with me as well.
My name is Kevin Etiang. I'm an EMT by profession. I'm also a junior coach. I used to coach basketball, but junior kids. And that's how I met Jolli, actually, because I was fortunate enough to be one of the first people to start her basketball journey. Well, I've known Jolli since she was around 12 years. It's a long time. Jolli contacted me. She told me she's back in Kenya because she was away. She told me she has a foundation for kids to help kids start their basketball journey like she did. And she told me if I could spare the time to come and use my skills to help the other kids also to start their journey to become, to go far like her, pale amefika sahi. Jolli is one of the most kind-hearted people. I honestly cannot summarize it to one word, but she's the most kind-hearted person, most determined, and the most selfless person I've ever seen. In basketball, she's her, because I remember back when we were coaching her, anytime the game was becoming hard, there was only one play. One play was give Jolli the ball. That's the type of person she is in the court. Just give her the ball and she'll do what she does best. I would like to thank Jolli because it's a very good opportunity for other kids, because here in Kenya some opportunities and they are rare. These opportunities are rare. So I'd like to thank Jolli. Thank you for your contribution to the society, and I pray to God that He may bless you more, and He may exceed your resources so that you can do even bigger things than this.
My name is Coach Shem Utieno. I know Jolli for a long time. I've really worked with Jolli as his coach back when he was she was in primary school at Dawabu, and she has been part and parcel of our basketball academy, that is Far East Basketball Academy. And today we are here courtesy of Jolli. She just came back and she just decided to give back to the community where she started basketball. Okay, I've known Jolli for I think since 2010 to date. When she was in primary, she got in love with basketball, and that's how we met, and the journey began from there. Today we were just trying to support Jolli as she came back from Canada, just giving back to the community through the game she loves, that is basketball. And we are here to support her as she works with the young kids in our community. Jolli, she's a really unique girl. Very jovial. Okay, pia anacheza futa. Ni mzee ataje football. So those are some of the things I know about the uniqueness of Jolli. Yeah.
Akiwa kwa kiwanja, how do you know her
machachari sana, great point guard, speed. Kuna leo anapenda kienda lazima yake kwa mguu hivi amalize basket. That was really nice. Okay. And she's a go-getter. She's one person who hata ukiangalia kwa court hataki ku lose, anataka ku win. Na hata encourage the teammates, let's play, let's push ourselves. Yeah, that is Jolli.
Hi, my name is Joshua Oluoko. I am a resident here in Kayole. and I play basketball, and aside from playing basketball, I'm also a coach. I coach basketball to young kids. I started this initiative of coaching way back the year 2012. That is back when I knew Jolli Mukesha. She was still a primary school student. She was schooling in Dawabu Primary. She was a very humble girl. We really enjoyed working with her at a tender age. She was at a very young age, similar to this age that we are coaching right here. And she showed a lot of resilience. That's when we came to know her. We went to so many games with her, and I remember she used to be a very dependable player. That I remember one scenario that we had a game, and then we were very low on scores, and we really needed someone to push our scores up. So thank God we had Jolli Mukesha. Jolli was there to push the ball. She was a very quick and versatile player, and she could understand and grasp the dynamics of basketball very early, at a very early age. So to sum it all up, she had a very good talent in basketball. So I remember in that particular scenario, she came and pushed the scores so up from around 4 up to 30, you can imagine, with one player. So the other kids are just playing defense and passing her the ball, and she goes and scores. So it has been quite a journey working with her also, and to see her also at this level that she has grown, that she can also be able to play basketball at a professional level, and come back and give back the same skill, the same talent that she was equipped with. It is quite a heartwarming experience and a very touching experience, and it's also quite an honor and a pleasure to be part of her team, to work with her as she empowers the young generation to be someone better in the society, similar to who she is right now. As I was coaching Jolli, I remember that she was still living with her parents, and her friends like Chantel Kiobe, they were young girls who could come very early from home to the basketball court, and also later in the evening we could walk with them back home. She used to live in Kayole, the estate of Soweto, next to Soweto. So we could enjoy walking her home all those while we were coaching with her. And she was a very humble girl all through her primary school, when she continued balancing studies and basketball consistently. And this was quite unique, because in growing up in estate like Kayole, it has a reputation where players could only major in one thing, either it's studies or it's basketball. So to find an exceptional player like Jolli, who could balance both books and basketball in the field, was quite rare. And you see, her life was quite an impact to the other kids who are growing on with her. So it was quite something that it showed us as coaches the resilience that this player had growing up. Being Jolli's coach, and as I've mentioned repeatedly, she's an exceptional player. We had to maintain contact with her even after she got an opportunity to go abroad and further her professional skill of basketball. So the major ways where we maintained contact was through social media, Facebook, our handle in Facebook and Instagram. So we could continue DMing and inboxing each other to stay in touch with her and know how the league is over there, how the training is compared to the training in Kenya. So that contact in social media was quite consistent, and that is how we managed to stay in touch with her. Jolli Mukesha she's quite a profound player, quite exceptional, and her life as an athlete, and also her personal life growing up as a young girl, it is a life that should be emulated by most girls, especially growing up in Kayole. This is a player who has maintained her discipline. She has managed also to maintain her character and her reputation while playing basketball, and also in her personal life. This is a life also that is very encouraging, that our daughters in Kayole should be able to emulate such a life. And we really encourage them also to join sports as Jolli did. because you see, she's portraying all the things that a well-being person is supposed to have, like being regularly exercising, maintaining good scores in your grades, and also being a role model in the society to other girls and young daughters who are growing up.
My names are Coach Moses, one of the founders of Far East Basketball Association, based here in Kayole, Kenya. Jolly, that one beautiful pretty girl, we've known her since the time she was very, very young, a very, very small girl, studying at Dawabu Primary School when she joined the Far East Basketball Academy as a young athlete. It's good to see her back, love to see the growth that we're seeing in her, and amazing to see that now she's giving back to this community, running a clinic back here for other young kids. Very, very inspiring. It's a unique way of her just saying thank you to us as coaches, but to a community that really impacted her life. Yeah. I have known Jolly now, give it roughly about 8 years. I think we knew her when she was still young, still in primary school. It's amazing to see the growth that it's in her right now as a young, impactful woman. Jolly is unique, one of the most joyful and amazing person to hang out with. Super social, that's one unique thing about her. But also very passionate, and as you can see, she cares. That's one unique thing about Jolly. I think it's very inspiring, especially when we see Jolly now playing, not only locally, but internationally. It's amazing, especially knowing we saw her when she was starting. Her commitment, her passion, and her hard work has paid off dividends, and it's now an inspiration to other young people back in this community. In one word, Jolly versus ball, spectacular. That's one I can just put it out there. Our final words for Jolly and especially the community back there in Canada. We just want to say thank you. Keep supporting this young, impactful woman. She has a vision, she has a dream of impacting other young people. So it's always important when you join hands with her and you support her mission of impacting her mother continent, her motherland. Thank you so much. Yeah.
My name is Coach Florence. I coach kids. Our academy is called FEBA Academy. I coach from 4 years up to 15 years. So I'm happy to talk to you guys for the camp that we have today. My work is I work like a mother because I have a girl who plays basketball. She has already finished the high school. They are going for university. When I get in basketball, I find a lot of things going on, and I can identify that I change many kids here. I talk to parents, then we agreed the way we can change our kids. And I'm happy to do this thing because nobody forced me to do. I woke up in my house, come here, nobody tells me to come here. It's from my heart. In challenge that I face in basketball is the finance, because when we see kids, they don't have money to pay so that I can get something. But that is the challenge that we get in our community, because many kids, they come from the lowest ground. So it's like telling them to come with money, it's just a challenge for them. Even them, mostly them, they are in public schools because of the school fees. They can't go for the private school because of money.
Among the kids, do you have refugees among the kids?
Yeah, so in my academy we have refugees, we have Sudanese, and we put all the kids in one place, not like we have these refugees and we have Sudanese. So we love all the kids. We can't say that those say stay there, we don't teach them, but we love them. I really love them. Yeah.
How do you know Jolly?
I think she was the one who trained in basketball in Kayole, Diwopa, and then she went to Canada. So I think she came back for the community, to give back for the community, and that is our growth as a FEBA.
I'm a player, a student, Yeah, I play point guard for Strathmore University. My name is Stanley Okoth. I'm part of Parcel of Faber Foundation. I'm happy to be in this wonderful foundation for one of us who went and came back with something that she thinks she can share to us. It has been a great pleasure to see her back and come and bring this wonderful program to our fellow young kids. We feel proud to see her back. Today I'm happy to be part of Parcel of this wonderful foundation that our fellow Jolli has brought to us. We really appreciate, and we are here to support her with all the things that we have.
My name is Samuel Boneri. I am from Congo and I live in Kenya as a refugee, and I play basketball here in Kenya, Nairobi. I started as I wanted to veer for a scholarship so that I can go to learn here in Kenya, and then I found myself in basketball. They told me to wait until I gain my skills first. Jolli, she's a great girl. She played basketball here in Europa, and she offers support to us who are still young. And thank you for everything, Jolli.
Okay, my name is Joseph Murage. I am a friend to Jolli since we were 12 years old. We played with Jolli under 12, under 14, under 16. Then she left Kenya. I used to be his friend while she was in Tawabu. I was in Bondeni Primary School. We started playing basketball in Diopa Basketball, and back there in Kayole, and we were good friends. We used to go to tournaments together, play, have fun, interact with each other outside basketball, inside basketball. We also challenged each other in basketball and also life-wise, and I used to love it. And I'm happy she is back in Kenya, and she has come back with a program for kids, giving back to the community on how she grew up. And I know she would also love to see other kids growing in life like her, and also coming and giving back to the community. Right now I'm a young coach, also giving back to the community. The young ones behind me, giving them skills and training them on how to grow in this game of basketball. And I would also love Jolli to come back more and more again and giving back. I know the program will grow bigger and bigger, and she will also go on to other communities, other academies, and give back also. It's not only here in Kayole that kids play basketball. There are also other areas like Korogocho, Kibra, Madare. They would also like to participate and have fun. I felt so good when I heard that she is back here in Kenya. I was very happy. I was very excited. I was talking to her through social media platforms, but right now we are talking face to face. I'm happy to see her back. Jolli was very talented. No one wanted to mark her. Like, she was superb. She was so good. She was playing nice. I also admired her game. So I will encourage other girls out there. It's not all about the height. It's all about the passion and determination. Yeah. If you love what you do, you'll become great. I'll say that God bless her.
Yeah, my name is Mukesha. I'm a Congolese. I'm a refugee in here Kenya, and I play basketball. I started playing basketball last year, and they welcomed me very well. I really appreciate that. Very well. They are so friendly. They are welcoming. I'm 13. I'm turning 14 this year. Today she came and told us she played here in Diopa, and she told us that she's really good in basketball, and she said she could support us, give us support. I thank this association, FEBA, for welcoming us as refugees. This is a place where you can come and relax, play, make friends, and we appreciate that.
Hi, my name is Lavenda Cheno. I'm a basketball player and a young coach at the same time. First of all, I want to thank God for this day that Jolli has come here at FEBA. She was here before as she was a child, but right now she's back and she's giving back to the community. It is a good idea which not everyone is willing to do, but because of the love of the game, she's here with us and we appreciate her so much. So we've played together in Tanzania. Yeah, we are international players and I'm so happy to meet her in and off the court. Yeah, so this day is amazing. Yeah, and we thank God so much. So I'm so happy for her that she has started her own foundation, which is to inspire young kids. I believe that with that she's a good role model. Like, she remembers where she's from. She started basketball when she was young, same as me, we played together. But here, we are back here, giving some tips and skills to the young athletes, inspiring them not to quit on what they are doing, but to continue doing what they are doing. Yeah. So we are also ambassadors of the did sports. I'm happy for that because I feel like with that it's a step forward. We are trying to do many things as possible to inspire and to make sure that basketball in the community continues. Yeah, it's a blessing to have her. Personally, I'm so grateful to have her around. Yeah, it feels like it's a blessing, and yeah, we thank God so much. This is a big show up and it's a big turn up to all of us. So Jolli, she's humble, she's a loving person. Yeah, she goes for what she wants. She loves sleeping a lot, but she has big inspirations. Yeah, anything funny? Hey, she's a very big joker. She's one of a person that if she says she's doing. Even if she can come to you asking for ideas, even if you try to help her towards that idea and it's what there's something else she did set in her mind, she will stick to that. It's so strange. In basketball, hey, she's a very good shooter. Yeah, she's an overall player in general because she talks a lot on court. She plays so well. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, Jolli.
Yeah. Nezi cyane.
Ndakubona na ball.
Kazi.
Zari meze bite?
So experience na Abana ilikuwa si rahisi. Sasa naona vile sasa zamani tulikuwa tunasumbua, wanakuambia kaa kwa line utulie, unasumbua. Nimeona sasa. Watoto wako sawa leo, wamelani, wamesoma. So nimefurahia sana. It's just an experience kucoach watoto kama tu vile nilikuwa nikiwa mdogo. Nimeona
watu wengi
wananijua,
wanakujua. Yaani wanakusema kama mtu si huyu naona hapa.
Najua ni vizuri watu wakusema usijiseme. Juu ukijisema utajisema vizuri zaidi.
Mbese tuzitako wiyemeye?
Kwiyemera wapi?
Ya nabonye hano harimo abana b'abanyamulenge.
Nimewaona pia abanyamulenge wamekuja wawili, watatu.
Kama n'umukobwa utaye.
Yeah, so nafikiri wote tu ni the same, wamekuwa tu kabandi. Umefurahi kuona.
Hari ubufasha runaka se wabafitiye ama?
So abangaba vile tumeongea na wale makochi wawili wenye wameenda. So kila mwaka nitakuwa nakuja zane igikorwa kama hiki. Kila mwaka nitakuwa nafanya hiki gikorwa na hao makochi wameni connect na makochi wangu wa huko wa home Canada, Toronto, mahali pengine penye siishi. But ni kwetu tu Canada. Alafu kila mwaka nitakuwa nakuja na watu wao wengine wa hiyo side. So wako nika connection nimetoa huko.
Na support unaletea watoto.
Na support pia.
Gani unawapea ufashwa hivi?
So abangaba unaona kama zile vitu za kwenda kushuri. Wakienda kushuri watakuwa wananiambia wakienda ma scholarship, wale makocha wakiwatafutia wakibabu kintu wananiambia kuna hitajikanga shopping, school fees zibura sometimes, wananiambia.
What's your plan after this?
So after this my plan is to come back, like ni kukuja kurudi na kurudi. So it's not gonna be the last time here in Kenya. So nitakuwa napanga nikuja all the time nifanye hizi clinics. Nicheze kwetu nikuja nifanye clinics huko.
Nawe kitu jambo general abakunzi wa AFRIMEDIA live.
Yeah, abakunzi wa AFRIMEDIA live, thank you so much for watching again. Muzidi kuwatch, mtakuwa mnaniona most of the time nikikuja Kenya. I'm here kwa AFRIMEDIA, right? Also like unaona nimeanzia in Kenya kufanya the clinics. So mtaniona Minembwe, Bibogobogo, Murambo, Kumikenke, Mumikenke, Kwindondo, hapo pote tutafika. Yeah.
Okay. Reka tuzitegure twitege yuko ugiye kuzagera hari n'abana badukurikiye bazabona ibyo bikorwa. Tuzitege ryari Jolli?
Hivyo bikorwa zitakuwa zinafanyika every year. So sahi I'm going back home. I don't know nitarudi when, but like labda end of this year, maybe next year, but every year sasa nitakuwa nakuja every year.
Next year uzaburi mu Minembwe?
Minembwe nitaanza Amani kipatikana. Amani tapatikana.
Ufite se yuko next team Amani zaba yabonetse?
Acha unajua, acha tuzidi kufuatilia makuru nini Amani kipatikana vizuri. Unajua hizi vikorwa lazima ni amani. Sports lazima amani kwanza. Kweli ni watoto leta na kuja. Amesema sisi wote tupeane. Thank you so much for coming for today's clinic. So next year tutakuja na more staff, tutakuja na watu wengine pia from the other side, so keep coming. Make it happen always.
All right.